Go to Google and search Travel Specialist Ventures. Click the official website. When on the website, click Book Flights button. Search destination. Select departure and arrival dates. Select the number of adults, children or infants. Select or search the airline you prefer. A list of flights will be shown with the lowest fare automatically selected for you. Search among numerous flights under the carrier you chose. You can also sort flights depending on the price and preferred airline. Click the red Book button to complete the reservation. You may also change search details. If you check the Flexible Dates option, this flight matrix shall appear with the lowest fare highlighted in gray. You'll be able to see the details of every possible flights you can book. You can select other flights depending on your schedule with fares automatically updating. Upon clicking the Book button, Travel Specialist Ventures shall validate your reservation and will contact you for the confirmation and payment details. Book now at Travel Specialist Ventures.